kung chief of police ka ng syudad, pag may droga at hindi mo kayang pumatay, takot kang mamatay, putang ina, umalis ka dyan sa trabaho mo. Sorry for the...
Thank you, Mr. President. I think, Mr. Chairman, medyo mahaba na yung time ng ating...
Yes, alam ko.
Gusto na siyang magpahinga.
Thank you. If the President can still stay a little longer, okay lang, sir? For a couple more minutes?
I am at your disposal,
Sige ba?
sir.
Okay, sige.
Ako magsabi ninyo hanggang bukas tayo dito.
Okay lang.
Wala akong magawa.
Actually, dapat Senator Bato, nag-apologize tayo kay President for starting our hearing in the morning. Doon siya nahihirapan actually siguro.
In the same manner that I would like to express my